Honestly, if you do this one simple thing correctly, your body will be compelled to heal itself. When I did this one thing correctly, my body compels itself to come out of sleep and make videos for you guys because I have landed an impressor of me becoming a YouTuber in my subconscious mind. If you just do that, your body automatically compels itself to fulfill the impression that you have made. I have made an impression that I'm going to be a YouTuber, so I just cannot sleep. Even if I try to sleep, my body compels itself to just pick up the phone and speak to the camera. Now, if you land a impression where you are completely free from panic attacks, where you are living your best life, where your friends and family are complimenting you on how peaceful, on how relaxed you are, if you make an impression where your girlfriend is complimenting you on how peaceful you are, if you make an impression where you are waking up in the morning and you just have a big smile on your face instead of heart palpitation and racing thoughts in your head, all these impressions, if they are made in the subconscious mind, then your body is naturally going to fulfill all of these wishes to come in your life. That's how powerful your subconscious mind is. And starts with a very simple understanding that your physical personal reality is an extension of your subconscious mind. We think our physical reality is so physical and material, but no, it's all an illusion. It is maya, it is magical lie, as yogis have been calling it for thousands of years. So as you write new programs in your subconscious mind, as you make new impressions in your subconscious mind, then your physical reality will reflect that change. Right now you have bad programs in your subconscious mind and you are facing terrible tragic circumstances in your personal reality. But if before you go to sleep at night, if you start to imagine wonderful things happening to you, and if you hold your attention on all this imaginal act, you start to feel feelings from it. For example, you start to imagine that you're kissing your girl, you're touching her hair, she's complimenting you on how powerful, on how peaceful you are, and you keep mentally rehearsing this act, you start to feel the feelings of satisfaction, joy, gratitude, and empowerment. And you sleep with this imaginal act and with this feeling. Tomorrow morning, you'll be a changed person. Tomorrow morning, your subconscious mind will try to bring that imaginal act into existence. And in order to bring that imaginal act into existence, your subconscious mind has to heal your panic attacks first. This is how subconscious mind works. This is how you heal your panic attacks, guys. Please do this simple exercise before going to bed at night. Just as you lay in the bed, start to imagine wonderful things happening to you. Hold your attention on those imaginal acts, feel the feelings, and you will be healed. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below, and also the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.